Meet Rodrigo, Dongmei, and Amrita. Each of them lives in a different country, and each of their life stories is unique. But they all have the same dream: to raise their standard of living. Their dreams may take different forms. Sometimes they want a specific item like a new phone, or maybe they want to expand their small business. Perhaps they just want to feel they can offer their kids new opportunities. To achieve their dreams, they need to know a little bit more about money, so they can make the right choices and avoid traps and pitfalls. That includes things like making a household budget to keep track of spending, understanding the difference between needs and wants, preparing for unexpected expenses, and understanding how to read basic financial offers. In other words, financial literacy. Rodrigo is from a rural community. He does not know much about the financial jargon he sees on advertisements and always stayed away from such offers because he heard that they can hurt him. We went to his village where we played a game with him and his friends that taught him how to distinguish good offers from bad ones. Amrita already knows a bit about finance, but she needed to understand how best to pay for her food stall extension. We connected with her through our radio show where we advertised how to use a small loan to expand a business. Dongmei wanted to learn how to make the most of her salary. She visited our teach-ins at a shopping mall. We taught her how to focus on things she needs now, while money that remains can be saved for later. We suggested how she can save more by distinguishing between needs and wants and plan her budget properly. Around the world, we run dozens of different financial literacy activities, each tailored to different levels of education and prior knowledge, culturally relevant to our local communities and addressing a range of topics. We use various formats such as textbooks and games for kids and their parents, websites for teachers, workshops, entertaining quizzes, and even mobile apps. And where we see one country's approach working well, we share it across our markets. We believe that more knowledgeable customers feel more confident and comfortable in managing their money for the benefit of their families, their businesses, and their communities. We help people to better understand the basics of finance so they can enjoy a better life. We are Home Credit, the consumer finance leader.